Hi, I'm Captain Woody, and I'm gonna teach you guys how to get a fishing license online. Okay, here on the website, you're gonna click the customer login/register button. You're gonna put in your date of birth and your last name. Next, you're gonna have to choose a form of ID. State ID works from any of your home states, and a passport will work if you're from out of the country. Then you're gonna choose which license you want. I'm gonna choose the annual license. If you decide to get an annual license, you will have to add the Sport Ocean Enhancement validation. If you are just getting a day license, you don't need to add that. Okay, and we're almost done. We just click checkout now. We're gonna scroll all the way to the bottom, check out. Now just scroll down and verify your info's correct. And at the very bottom, you will put in your card information and then finish purchasing your fishing license. After that, you're gonna get another screen that looks like this. You're gonna click download receipt/licenses, and this is what you're looking for. Your license should look just like this. Once you have that printed or saved on your phone, you're ready to go fishing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you out here on the water.